For number 4, we're going to be graphing a piecewise function. And it's called a piecewise function because the graph is broken up into different pieces. And for different values of x, you'll be graphing a completely different function. And so just start with the top piece here. If x is greater than or equal to 1, the function we're graphing is that f of x equals 3. So come to where x is equal to 1. And then f of x equals to 3 is just a horizontal line at y equals 3. And so for all x bigger or equal to 1, I'm just going to draw that horizontal line. And now move on to the second piece of the function, which is for all the x's that are less than 1. And that graph is going to be f of x equals negative 1 minus x. Which I've rewritten down here because we usually write mx plus b. So this is the normal way we see slope-intercept form. Makes it a little bit easier to graph if you write it in the traditional way. So the b here is negative 1. That's our y-intercept. You'd come to negative 1 and draw your y-intercept. And then your slope is the number in front of x, which is also a negative 1. So you're going to go down 1 over 1. And that's where your second point would be, and if you connect those dots, you have your line for your second piece of your function here. Now you need to make sure that line only exists, that you only draw it for x is less than 1. So you draw it, but when you get to 1 here, anything bigger, it needs to not exist, and right at the value of 1, you need to put an open circle, because notice we have that this is the function only when x is less than 1. When it's equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, we should be up here on this piece of the function. And that's why we have a closed circle up here to indicate that when x is equal to 1, the graph is up here, it's not down here.